Clíona Ní Chíosain, tá tú dír go rá an nua airach.
Tá, yeah.
Chuna sa táú.
Tá me go má.
Tuair sé cuirt?
Tá me cuirt galore.
Yeah. So you were over there with your show, Réiltín.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about it.
It's the story of a young girl kind of in a kind of post-recession Ireland type of thing, who's like, she's in her early 20s and she's kind of lost the way that a lot of people can be, you know. There's like, you know, 11 to 12 songs kind of in it. So.
And it's completely Oscar.
Yeah, completely Oscar.
And it premiered in New York. So what was the audience like over there?
They were really good actually. I was really shocked at like the amount of kind of like Irish speakers who came to it. Like there was people kind of from the States who had learned Irish, so they all had kind of an American accent with their Irish. It was lovely.
It's the first Irish spoken play in 17 years to take part in the Dublin Theatre Festival.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, I mean, we're very lucky, you know, we deserve it, I think.
Yeah.
No, it's wonderful. It's a wonderful opportunity, and it just goes to show, like, the show stands by itself on its own merit. It doesn't, the language is not the main focus of it, but, you know, as well as that, Réiltín was is the first Irish play since 1884 to premiere in New York.
It's incredible.
In America. So we're very proud. So that's two great things now that we're kind of very proud of, two achievements.
Tá the buchel cara agus tá the clán ar fád, tá sí ag tacht.
Yeah.
Nocht?
Tá sé the tacht and tacht in our fád.
Okay.
They'll be at nearly every show.
So we'll do on an nervy show for sin. Prísach.
Yeah, well, on character, tá she size like she's pretty out there kind of, you know, it's a pretty out there performance and stuff like that. So,
but just in terms of like all people that you know are going to be sitting in the front row, like you'll be able to see their faces.
Oh, you do see their faces, but what I just have to do mostly is just try to look up and beyond the crowd, because if I catch someone's eye, that's when I'm going to be like, oh, how are you? Kind of like.
And tell people why they should come and see the show.
They should come see the show because it's an amazing show, and it's like nothing that's ever been done. It's not kind of a little quaint old Irish play. It's something new and it's fun, and the music is super contemporary, and there's a lot of film and stuff in it. So
awesome. Well, I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, good.
And congratulations, what an amazing part to play.
Thank you.